So I'm going to talk about importing a part real quick. So once you get to importing, here's a tip and trick on this with the layers. So if I come over here and I'm going to open up the desktop, I'm going to go click on this little icon here. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm just going to come down here to a 5x5 with a 1-inch hole. Notice that it gives me an error here. It says that there's no preview here or anything like that. So when you draw in VCarve, VCarve is it automatically defaults this to a layer. And so let me show you what layer that is. So in VCarve, you have layers. So over here is the drawing tab, and down here you have a layer. So everything that comes out of VCarve is layer 1. All right. So we'll get rid of this one for a minute and just kind of show you an easy way to. So when you come in here and you got that error, go ahead and delete this. Just kind of X out of that. And we're going to go over here to CAD import. When you go to CAD import, notice that you have this cut layer here. That's a plasma. And if you have a scribe, we'll do another video on scribe here in a little bit. But notice that you have that. So if you do a drop down, all it's doing is looking for layer 0. So what you do is put a check mark in there. All right. And once you do that, all that's saved. So now if I click on it, notice that it comes up. And if I double click, then I can tell it I want 2 of them now. And I can return to nesting. And then I can actually, pull it out there and pull it out there.